Hello everyone, good morning. Um, Today is January 17th, 2025. We have a massive storm. So I'm actually in my neighborhood, so I'm heading to highway. So it's very crazy wind and storm. Weather channel says shouldn't drive, but I have no choice. I have to go to work. So yeah, so that's how. So I'm on the highway. So stay tuned. Let's see how highway is showing on winter storm. If you haven't seen winter storm, it's like this. So you can check. So it's a little bad. It's not very crazy bad, but it's I have seen more than very bad snowstorm more than this one. But let's see because we need to head it to the highway to see how bad it is, because right now, because I'm driving in my neighborhood, you can see a lot of garbage on the road because of the heavy wind. So I'm heading to highway, and you can see how bad it's in the highway. I will catch you guys when I'm at highway. Just stay tuned, and I will catch you when I'm at highway. So right now I'm driving in my neighborhood. So just stay tuned. So I'm almost there to take my exit to the highway. So right now I can visibility is not that bad because wind, snow, because of the building, snow it's covered, right? So I can see, I can drive. Visibility is not bad, but I'm hoping highway there's nothing to block. So definitely visibility is a little bit bad. But it's not crazy. Some people are scared of drive. I am living in Canada, so I have seen very worse snowstorm than this one. This is not that crazy bad. You see, you can people going to work, they are standing. They are Canadian. We don't scare. So you can see the sun. So you can see how it looks. See the snow on the road. It's very bad right now. It's a little slippery, so you have to be very careful when you're driving on this kind of situation, because sometimes you can't control your vehicle. The truck is driving very slowly with the hazard light because they're very cautious. Yeah, highway is definitely a bad. Visibility definitely bad. I can see right now I'm going to take the right turn to my highway. Stay tuned, guys. Is not that bad because the highway driving a little slippery. I can feel the slipperiness of my steering wheel, and I can see I can feel that. Wind is the bad part here. It's kind of yeah, it's a little bad snowstorm. I saw some videos on Calgary and Alberta. What's that? This one? What's that? Us? Yeah, okay, yeah, he can Manitoba. So if you don't know, yeah, I'm in Manitoba. This is Canada, boys, girls. It's Canada, so. Oh, I think I'm going to get sick because our temperature is fluctuating always. It's going to last all of days. It's a +1, +2, and now it's minus with the snowstorms. Crazy weather here. It's changing. Yeah, it's a little scary. It's slippery. I feel as I said before, I feel the slipperiness. It's a vehicle going here and there, even though I try to go straight. And because of the wind, it's a heavy wind. I don't want to drive fast. I'm driving on 80 kilometers per hour at 100 kilometers per hour on the highway. All the vehicles going very slow. I don't see any vehicles because of the snowstorm. I think a big truck stopped driving. Otherwise I will see a lot of trucks this time. I don't see any trucks. Definitely wind is very bad, guys. Wow. Yeah. It's very bad. I think I need to check this out. Don't take risk. I'm driving very slow. Wow. This is very bad. I'm driving with the hazard lights on. So that's how bad the highway driving right now, because I feel very slippery now and windy, and the vehicle throwing me out of the road because of the wind. Yes. I don't see any other vehicle behind me. Only me and that truck, I guess. I saw another vehicle in front of that truck. I'm taking risky driving. I shouldn't come on the highway. That's pretty bad. I don't see the road. That guy, I know that guy can't see the road too. He's going outside of the highway. Oh, that's getting bad. Bad, very bad. No vehicle behind me, only me. Few other vehicles in front of me. I'm going to exit from the highway. This is also a residential area, but the road is very, very bad. You don't see any lines, nothing here. Oh, jeez. Look at this. It's very bad. I don't see any line on the on this road. Visibility is very bad. I think about like a 25, about like a 10 meters. I can see. I don't see any other vehicle. The area you see sometimes. Roads are very bad, slippery. You should take a risky drive. Even though I start driving, like, you shouldn't stay at home in this kind of weather. If you are not a very experienced driver in the winter, you should stay at home. This is very scary. And, I feel like this walk outside and stay outside. It's clear. This is a new area, very nice area in Winnipeg. The new houses, a new road, new grocery stores, new people. Basically, it's a brand new community. You can see the big houses, new houses. When you come to the city area, you don't feel the winter storm that bad because I think it's covered snowstorm is caused by the buildings. Very slow. So I hope you guys are doing good. Please subscribe to my channel, and I really appreciate people subscribing me and like my channel. I'm trying to build a nice community here, and yeah, just comment on my video. That would be really appreciated, and help me to improve my videos. If you have a experienced YouTuber, just comment what I should do, what I shouldn't do. I'm new to the YouTube. I have few videos on my channel. Yeah, take right turn from Vinajinikana is the name of one of the chiefs. Yeah, native chiefs. God knows about. Okay guys, that's about it on highway driving. Now I'm going to heading on the city. So I know that you have seen nice sceneries on my Winnipeg city. So I'm hoping to go outside from the city one day and record some nice videos. So I'm going to end the video today, and I hope you guys meet with another video, nice video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and that will help for me. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.